Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Teacher Neo with English Teacher Neo. Today I'm in a coffee shop and I am getting ready to go and order a coffee. So let's go. So what is the best on the menu right now?
One of our best would probably be, or like our most popular would be like a caramel macchiato or just your basic lattes with the different flavors.
Okay.
I think dulce mocha is one of the favorites.
Okay, dulce mocha. I'll have to remember that for next time though. What is the macchiato?
It is like a vanilla latte with caramel drizzle, basically.
Nice.
It's a very sweet.
Is that one of your favorites?
It's okay. I like more like mochas.
Mochas?
More
Yeah.
chocolatey.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. I would like to order a chai latte. How much is that?
It is about, well, what size would you like?
20 ounce.
A 20-ounce would be $5.25.
Okay. All right. Perfect. And what would you suggest on the pastry menu?
For a chai latte, like to go with it, probably a cinnamon roll.
Okay. Perfect. How much is the cinnamon roll?
About $3.50.
Okay. All right. Perfect. I will order that.
Awesome.
So, all right.
$9.48 is your total.
Okay. How can I pay for that?
You can pay with cash or card.
All right. Perfect. I will pay with cash.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much. And when will it be out? How long does it take?
About 5 minutes maybe.
5 minutes?
Because the tea has to steep.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. In this coffee shop, there is a chessboard. So if you like to play chess, you could always come over here and play a game with a friend. Let me know in the comments if you like to play chess. And there are so many different details in this coffee shop. It is really neat. The books that they have are free. All they ask is for you to bring a book in to leave, and you can take a book yourself. So look at this cozy little seating area. Look at this little seating area too. There are a couple of seats and a couch. Look at this big plant here. Wow, that's a pretty big plant. It is by the window. That way it can get the sunlight that it needs. This is a coffee table. It is on a rug. There's a really pretty picture here, and it's for sale. Another big window so you can see outside. And look at this little cozy sitting area, little rocking chair, an end table here with a lamp and a plant on the table as well. And all of this is on a rug. Here are some more books that are free to take. And another nice looking painting. We can go around here, and here's another spot for sitting. And another plant. There are lots of plants in here. If you want to know what's going on in the community, you can look right here, local events, and you can look through and see if there's anything that you're interested in. Oh, there is hand sanitizer. If you need to get germs off of your hands, you can grab some hand sanitizer. This is the outside. Look at the open sign. That is kind of cute. And this door is to go in and out of the coffee shop. There are 2 doors to do that. Right here are 3 little sitting areas, but also there are sitting areas outside. Do you see those? There are 2 tables and 4 chairs. You walk around here, and here's a cute little area as well. And it looks like there are children's books and children's toys. That way you can keep your children occupied right here. Something for them to do as well. Look at this neat lamp. It almost looks like it was homemade. Lots of coloring and stuff on it. That is really pretty. There's an old suitcase right here. Another couch. Another end table. Here are some red chairs, 4 red chairs at this little table. It has drawers. See the drawers? Some more books. And look at the wall here. Really pretty how they decorated the wall. Do you see the brick wall? It's really pretty. There is a mirror. And another seating area with a puzzle table and a puzzle. Do you like to do puzzles? Walk over here, and here's a seating area for a bunch of people. And then right here we have another area where there are drawers and handles and stuff. How neat is that? The details on it. Let's see, can we open? Oh, look. There are games inside. And oh, these are puzzles. Wow. Closing it. Let's see, does this one open? Yes, it does. In here, there are games. I'm going to close that one. And let's see, oh, this one opens like this. Now, there are some books in here. Closing that one. And then here are some games right here. Let's see what is in this one. I'm curious. Oh, does it open? There we go. And just some different things in here. Over here, it looks like it's a stage. So maybe they have some live music here, but look at the wall. It's all books. Look at that. How neat is that? Maybe you can come up here and read the books. But how neat is that? I love this wall. I like to read, and I love how they decorated this. It is really neat. Okay, I found my spot to sit. It's actually over here by the children's books because it's just kind of a nice little cozy area. And there's not a lot of people in here right now, so it is so quiet. I got my chai latte here, and it is so good. That is how you go into a coffee shop, and that is how you order. You just go right up there, and you can ask them what the special is or what their favorite is and find out what they might suggest. So if you have any questions about a coffee shop, I do go to a few. So if you want to see some other coffee shops, let me know down in the comment section. And be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.